My fellow Singaporeans,
what kind of nonsense are they talking about?
Pledge ourselves as one united people.
My fellow Singaporeans, good afternoon. Earlier today, I saw President Halimah Yacob to advise her to dissolve Parliament and issue the writ of election.
This election is really only about one thing, the post-COVID-19 recovery of Singapore.
COVID doesn't have race, language or religion.
We are in the thick of battle and there's still a long road ahead of us. But working together, we will defeat the virus and keep everyone safe.
The Workers' Party has fielded 21 candidates in this general election, all committed to ensuring that Singapore rises like a phoenix from COVID's ashes.
This election is about choosing the right person to lead us out of this terrible storm.
Walk with us for a better tomorrow.
For country, for people, you deserve better.
Make your vote count. Vote for the Workers' Party.
Vote PAP for our lives, our jobs, our future.
4 yes, 1 no.
A heart for the people.
For a better tomorrow, let's do the next right thing.
Build back better, fairer.
Have a strong parliament.
And together make Singapore our home again.
We want Singaporeans to be the captains of their own lives.
Vote the third force. Vote for change. Vote Peng Hua.
There are people who laugh at us and they say, why not give up since you lost before? And we say the SDA will never give up.
The PAP is seeking a clear mandate to lead Singapore through the storms ahead.
What we are trying to deny the PAP isn't a mandate. What we're trying to deny them is a blank check.
The PAP will tell you that they can own self, check own self. Do you agree?
This accountability cannot be achieved if PAP has the supermajority in the parliament. No one is immune to mistakes.
Trust the PAP? Trust doesn't come from what you say, it comes from what you do.
I did not ask for your vote. I asked to be your friend.
A government is like a father to his people, and a father who provides for alien children while allowing the breakfast, lunch and dinner of his own children to be stolen is a bad father.
The lack of such checks and balances has cost us dearly.
We show our love for Singapore best by holding the government to account through an efficient opposition in Parliament. Checks and balances from the opposition are a positive contribution.
We need leaders who have the interests of the people at heart, not just to steer us through this storm, but to bring us to greater prosperity.
We have listened to you and incorporated your concerns into our solution for you.
We will work together with the residents in Pasir Ris Punggol and all Singaporeans, because with one voice we say enough is enough.
Yes to suspending GST, retrenchment insurance, retirement income, putting people first, and no to a 10 million population.
No 10 million. Fact.
They prattle on about a minimum wage or a universal basic income. These are fashionable peacetime slogans, not serious wartime plans. Singapore needs a capable government with the full support of a united people more than ever.
My life ethos is to always remember to serve the lost, the least, and the last.
This election will be tough. Singaporeans have been greatly affected by the pandemic and are anxious about their future.
As we enter working life, we've got to make sure that every Singaporean is on a moving escalator. Everyone.
Support us. Give us your strong support.
mark next to the lightning.
Our team is young and comprises new parents.
You have given them 9 years. It's time. Bring us home.
We don't want PAP to own-self check own-self.
Or is the opposition trying to checkmate the government?
You have heard the PAP say, you can't do it without them. I want you to know that you can do it. We can do it together.
We are the citizens of Singapore. Pledge ourselves as one united people, regardless of race, language, or religion, to build a democratic society based on justice and equality so as to achieve happiness, prosperity, and progress for our nation.
I declare Chua Keng Wee, He Ting Wu, James Jerome Lim, Raiza Begum Binti Farid Khan of Workers' Party as a group of candidates elected for Sengkang.
The fiercest of storms may gather and loom, but the Workers' Party will fight to the end.
I declare Cheryl Chan Wei Ling, Heng Swee Kiat, Muhammad Maliki bin Osman, Tan Kiat Hao, Tan Sunyo Jessica of People's Action Party as a group of candidates elected for East Coast.
Look at the Singapore map there, the red of course representing the seats that PAP has won.
I will use this mandate responsibly to deal with COVID-19 and the economic downturn and to take us safely through the crisis and beyond.